A Big Brother mastermind confirmed viewer backlash changed the show's plans. Big Brother 27 has been one of the most unpredictable seasons in recent memory, filled with shocking twists, intense rivalries, and controversial decisions that have kept fans glued to their screens week after week. But now, a major revelation from one of the show's behind-the-scenes masterminds has confirmed what many viewers suspected all along. Fan backlash actually forced producers to change the direction of the show's original plan. In a rare interview, a senior member of the Big Brother production team admitted that the intense reactions from fans on social media and live feeds had a measurable impact on how certain game twists and competitions were executed this season. According to The Insider, the original blueprint for Big Brother 27 involved a very different path for some of the players, particularly in the mid-season stretch where alliances were beginning to crumble and fan favorites were at risk of early eviction. "We had a long-term plan for how certain storylines and power shifts were going to unfold, but the audience's response changed everything," the producer explained. The backlash to specific moments, especially when one player was seen as being unfairly targeted, forced us to rethink some of our upcoming decisions. This confirmation aligns with what fans had speculated for weeks. On platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and TikTok, dedicated Big Brother watchers voiced frustration over what they felt was producer interference favoring certain contestants. The outrage peaked after a controversial veto competition that many believed was designed to protect a player who had been dominating the game. The public outcry reportedly reached such a level that CBS executives took notice. The producer didn't name specific players but acknowledged that the temperature online became impossible to ignore. "We've always said Big Brother is a social experiment not just inside the house but outside as well," the producer said. "Viewer engagement, fan reactions, and the way the audience perceives fairness, it all becomes part of the game's narrative." What's even more shocking is that this isn't the first time fan pressure has influenced the show's creative direction, but it's one of the few times the production has openly admitted to it. The shift reportedly led to a mid-season adjustment in competition design and even minor changes in how certain segments were edited for television. One well-placed insider described the adjustment as a recalibration to balance perception, ensuring that players seen as underdogs go a fairer edit while dominant players didn't appear overpowered. The revelation sparked a new wave of conversation among fans, with some applauding the transparency and others expressing concern that too much viewer influence could compromise the integrity of the game. Many pointed out that while it's great to see producers responding to audience sentiment, the show's foundation lies in allowing players' decisions, not fan opinions, to shape the outcome. Still, this season's events have demonstrated how the line between production control and fan influence has blurred in the modern reality TV landscape. With live feeds, social media commentary, and fan-led podcasts dissecting every move, producers face immense pressure to adapt and evolve in real time. "The internet has changed everything," the producer admitted. "Big Brother doesn't just happen inside those walls anymore, it happens on Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. The fans have a voice, and it's louder than ever." This statement has sparked speculation that the show could move toward even greater fan involvement in future seasons. Some sources close to the show hinted that producers are exploring ways to make audience reactions a more formalized part of the competition, possibly through voting-based twists or direct fan influence on house events. Whether that's a good thing or not remains up for debate, but one thing is clear: Big Brother will never be the same again. Fans have become an undeniable force in shaping the narrative, and the production's acknowledgement of that reality marks a turning point for the franchise. As Big Brother 27 nears its conclusion, viewers are watching closely to see how these behind-the-scenes adjustments might affect the final weeks of gameplay. If fan influence truly redirected the course of the season, the eventual winner's journey may look very different than what the producers in it early envisioned. What started as a social experiment inside a sealed house has now evolved into a multi-layered game between players, producers, and millions of fans who hold the power of public opinion in their hands. In this new era of reality TV, it's no longer just about who can outplay and outlast the competition, it's about who can win the audience's heart and survive the court of public reaction. Big Brother has always promised to expect the unexpected, but this season, the biggest twist of all might be that The real power doesn't belong to the players or the producers anymore. It belongs to the viewer. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.